It was a call into emptiness that birthed the beauty of nothingness. The Almighty spoke, and the unity of the Trinity brought heaven's beauty into the world of men. Light was resting till the Almighty called.
Hello, light.
And light replied, yes, Lord,
I need you here.
Said the voice divine,
At your command.
light answered on time. Light came running at heaven's speed.
Darkness too waiting in me.
The Lord said, you rule the day.
And darkness served the night in my way.
Separation by design, purpose flows in every line. He spoke once and it was done. Creation rose to the rhythm of one.
Hello light, hello land, hello waters, hello man. Every creature answers when the Almighty commands. Hello purpose, hello blessing, hello child. Here I am, the intention of the Almighty must stand.
Oh, it must stand. And they obeyed the Lord Most High. The waters above, the seas below, prove that heaven reigns, this we know. Then came the call,
hello land,
at your command, sir.
came the stand.
I'm here, foundation for all your plans, to hold your creatures by your hands. No contention, no delay. Olúwa ni gbogbo gan ló dá. He spoke and it was done. He saw that it was good, oh that.
Hello light, hello land, hello waters, hello man. Every creature answers when the Almighty commands. Hello man, hello blessing, hello child. Here I am, the intention of the Almighty must stand.
Yes, you must stand.
It must stand, it must stand, it must stand, it must stand. Oh,
I am fruitful cause he said so. I am full, his breath made me grow. In his image he called me child. So I rise, holy, strong and wild. My child is well, says the Lord above. No power can derail my love. My plans are sealed, my purpose stands. I hold the world within my hands. Olúwa mi o,
Olúwa mi o,
èmi rẹ̀ gbé mi ga.
Olúwa mi o.
Hello man,
Hello woman,
gbogbo ayé ẹ ṣé fún Ọlọ́run.
adúpẹ́, adúpẹ́.
The intention must stand.
Hello light, hello land, hello waters, hello man. Every creature answers when the Almighty commands. Hello purpose, hello healing, hello child. Here I am, the intention of the Almighty must stand.
Yes, you must stand.
It must stand, it must stand, it must stand, it must stand.
Even death surrendered when he called. Since I belong to Jesus, I am his intent, his design, his plan. And I live because he lives. The intention must stand.